yourself. The sound where she can't give, I don't even know say this girl join choir.
Proxy, as you all know, I always stand by the truth and nothing but the truth. Okay, guys, firstly, I want to thank you guys for always liking, commenting, and sharing my video. As you can see, I'm out here once again, as usual, to be of help to people. I have with me another client. This young lady told me a lot of things about what she is going through right now. So let her be the one to recap or narrate that thing that's been bothering her. So, young lady, what is your name?
Didi.
Oh, Miss Didi, what a
Yes.
beautiful name. So can you please tell us wetin dey sup, wetin dey happen to you and your boyfriend? Wetin don sup again?
Okay. Let's say me and my boyfriend we've been dating for
Okay.
over 12 years now because we've been childhood best friends and we
Okay.
went to the same university. Thank God.
Okay.
And we've been living together as well.
Okay.
So few months back there were
Mm.
robbers at our apartment and they took mostly our money and jewelries, like some of the things. But after the incident, me and my boyfriend will be having some issues. He hasn't been like talking to me. He even asked me out of the house and he hasn't been like responding to me. If I even prepare his favorite meal, like he would just like look at me one I don't know, I've just been having this bad vibe and I feel like I can't handle it anymore. So I'm bringing it to your table so that I will know if I did anything wrong in this relationship or not. That's why I'm here.
Wait, Miss Didi, are you
Yes.
sure that you did not do something wrong to your boyfriend before he acted this way towards you?
Well, we've been having like slight issues, but of course, that's one we know how to resolve it. But this one, it's huge. He's not talking to me, he's not eating my food. So I'm not sure I've done anything to warrant that.
Okay, now the reason why I'm asking you this question because I've settled similar cases like this, and I will find out that our client are the cause of the problem. So I would insist that you should tell me the truth so that I will know how to come in and be of help to you.
In this case, I'm being honest. I don't know what I've done wrong.
Okay, you don't know
I
what you
don't
done
know. I
wrong,
don't
and you
really
want
know
to
what.
know.
And I want to know from my man, the guy I love so much for the past 12 years. We've been like through thick and thin. So I just want to know what I've done wrong to warrant all these issues.
Okay, Miss Didi, I've
Yes.
heard you clearly,
Yeah.
and my people out there are watching it too. It's a clear statement.
Yes.
Now, let me not say anything because I don't like drawing conclusion from one side of the story. I would like to, to hear from the other party, which is your boyfriend,
Yeah.
before I will make any conclusion or before I will make any statement regarding your case right now.
Okay.
Okay, guys, out there watching this video, you guys have heard from Miss Didi. She said she did not do anything wrong to her boyfriend before he actually acted this way towards her, and she wants to know the truth and nothing but the truth. That's why she contacted me. I would like you to relax, sit back, because we're about to unravel the hidden secret about Didi's case. Okay, guys, finally I was able to reach out to our boyfriend. Your boyfriend said he's coming over to meet us here. I didn't mention you to him, so I would like you to hide so that when he comes, he will not see you and take a U-turn back. Okay? Now, you say you are showing him that you don't do anything wrong to him.
For my side, no.
For your side.
Ah.
Okay, now you know,
Yes.
just hide somewhere
All
there.
right.
Hide. Don't come outside here to hide. Guys out there watching this video, let's see what we can do to be of help to Miss Didi, because she says she don't do anything wrong to her boyfriend. But I'm very certain that something must have stopped.
Oh,
Bro, good day.
well, good day. Well
How are you?
Fine.
You're welcome.
Fine.
Okay, I'm Mr. Proxy, and
Okay.
actually called you regarding something.
Yeah.
I want to discuss something special with you. If you don't mind, just.
I'm a full time. Yes.
Are you
What's
okay?
so special? Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
don't worry. Just come. Let me
Yes,
call
yes.
my friend to join me because I want.
Oh, that's very nice. That's
it's
very nice.
very good, right?
Yeah, I'm a
Please,
social person.
guy, come on. Don't worry, he's coming already.
Ah. Now because of this girl, I carry me come here.
Yeah, why are you shouting?
This one don't cast now. This girl don't cast now. No, because of this girl, can't call me come now. Where the package one for where they can't call me come because of this girl. This girl don't cast now. She dey fuck up.
Guy, calm down.
She dey fuck up. I know carry her see this girl.
Then why
This
you-
girl don't cast.
Why are you saying this is your girl? Who is she to you, right?
Oh, but no, in fact, mama put her na my ex, but we been the date. We be the date. We don't tell. We dey go the same university together. This girl, I dey buy textbook for her. I hand out. I dey pay for everything. Nothing wey I need dey pay for. I dey feed her. She dey even dey under AC for my house. Abi for your papa house, you dey see AC dey use. But this girl fuck up. This girl fuck up. I no wan just go that far.
Guy, calm
I no
down.
wan
First.
just go
Guy,
that far.
okay, it's alright. I can see you are very angry at your ex-girlfriend, whom you are calling right now. Now, please, can you just calm down? Now, she told me something about you. So, Miss
Okay.
Didi, come closer. You said you did not do anything to him. But look at the way your ex, sorry, let me use it that way, your ex-boyfriend is angry at you that you have casted. What is that you've done to him? Please speak up, speak up.
Like I said earlier, I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Guy, she said she don't know.
You don't okay, you don't know abi. Na now I go cast the matter.
Well, cast the matter for me.
The matter go cast. See.
Tell us.
Okay. We just finish our anniversary. I say okay, we just boughting some
Wait,
groceries
sorry,
and go
sorry
out.
to cut you. Is it
Yes.
marriage anniversary?
No, we don't dey date. Girlfriend and boyfriend matter. You dey get na foreign doings now.
Okay.
I just say man, you give her that foreign vibe. Okay. I bought you enough things, buy ice cream. You dey get. We dey watch Netflix for hours. I don on gen. All of a sudden now, they don bang our door. You dey understand now? So they don rob us finish now. They don take I don give them because that one no be my problem. I know say I will get more. Now the guy don say na him dey eye my baby. You dey get better say they dey armed. That just lock up. Oh, but this is the wipe am, but you know the matter. That one never finish sef. The sound wey she come dey give, I no even know say this girl join choir. You hear the guy dey wipe her, na so she dey hold am dey come back. The thing dey comot say she dey slaughter am. I just dey para. I dey para for her. The way this girl deliver for that man, she never do me like that. So show say I no need that again. Go date that guy. Make him pay your school fees.
Guy, come
I
here,
didn't know
come.
that was the issue. Sef. Wait, what do you
I
expect
can make
from
the
me?
sound for you.
Like, what do you expect? What do you
Na pepper
expect?
soup you dey
He
drink.
was literally giving me the best time of my life, okay? He
Oh.
was doing what you cannot do.
Wait, calm down, Didi.
Jesus.
Guy, calm down, calm down. That's not that. Didi, firstly, you told me that you don't do anything wrong.
Well,
to
I
me.
didn't see that this was actually the reason he asked me to move
Oh,
out.
you no get conscience. You no get conscience.
But
Hey.
come first.
I don't waste money for this girl.
Wait, guys, wait. Did that hear you say that he has not been giving you that wiping
He
vibe?
has never. We have always been doing what mommy and daddy's time, mommy and daddy. Like I asked you always, guy, let's spice things up. I even had to like watch so many videos on how to like take care of my man on bed, but no, mommy and daddy's time, mommy and daddy's time.
Hey, so now be the reason.
I saw
Now
a
you
man
can't do.
that
No
made
worry,
me
now that guy
feel
go pay your school
good.
fees.
It doesn't matter about
That
school
guy
fees,
now go
okay?
pay your school. Now I'm
I
robber
felt
go dey pay your
good.
school fees. No
That's
worry,
just
I don't
what
come
it
on
is.
for your matter.
Wait, Didi, hold on first. Where the one paying her school fees?
I dey pay her school fees.
Maybe
Because
you have
My
been
daddy
sponsoring
don't
her.
yes.
No.
Didi, is it true that you have
Because me I be
sponsoring you?
burgerly. They get, I dey cash out.
For what?
I dey take
Is
care
that
of
not your
everything.
duty?
Guy, calm down. I understand that you are pained because you discovered that she actually enjoyed the wiping of a rubber.
Oh,
And now,
Spider-Man style dey give am check.
wait, Didi, can you just stop this your attitude? This your act, this your reaction is pissing me off. What?
Should I be
Oh,
apologizing?
wait. You are telling me to my face that you actually enjoy this.
Yes, I did.
For my
I won't
front,
lie.
you dey still
Yes,
talk am.
this-
Omo,
The
this
last
one
time
be you
I
for
checked,
not dey
you
here.
said X.
For my
So like
front,
we
over
literally
the
don't have
shame.
anything. We don't have any connection.
Okay,
So
now
I
fine.
enjoyed it.
Fine,
Very well.
Didi. You are not
Yes.
supposed to make this statement
We are
before
meant
your
to.
boyfriend.
Why?
Even
X.
even
You
your
don't form
ex-boyfriend,
man.
you're not supposed to
Don't
make that.
form man.
I guess that is the reason why he doesn't want to be with you.
Now
Maybe
you're
that
starting
boy-
to
okay,
say
fine.
it
That boy go
openly.
take care of you. No
Fine.
worry.
Why
Didi,
didn't you say it
Didi.
openly?
No worry.
Do you want to settle this case?
We go see how you go graduate.
You want to
now.
go
I
back
don't
to
come
him?
on for your matter.
Do you actually want to go back to him?
I love him.
You
Yes,
love him.
that's like
So then you
that's
have to
the truth.
stop saying this thing because
You not love
no
me.
guy out there will be happy with you. Why will you say that you enjoy the wiping of a rubber than your boyfriend?
How many
Than your
girls they
ex-boyfriend?
there? They see and they
Okay,
live
wait.
there and they
If we're
follow
going to settle
you.
this, like,
No worry.
shouldn't he also take responsibility for this? Like,
Okay, fine.
he's
fine.
literally not making me feel
Fine.
comfortable.
Okay, fine. Let me talk to you. Guy, come. But you know that I know what she did is very wrong. It wasn't her fault, rather. It happened. It's something that happens. Can happen to anybody out there. Please, for the fact that the robber wiped your girlfriend,
Oh boy.
it wasn't our own intention. You understand me? It happened that way. So please, you don't have to use that as a yardstick to present her packing.
Anyway, she
Or
dey
don't
enjoy
want her
am,
anymore.
but she don't form man. I mean, I dey
Guy,
my girls they sing for choir.
Guy, you know that is wiping. She has feelings. Do you understand me? They don't expect her to keep quiet while the robbers are giving her the other way around. So please don't use that as a yardstick to send her packing. And for you, Didi, it is very, very unethical for you to say that you actually enjoy
I tell
the
you.
wiping of a rubber before your ex-boyfriend. You know you call her. You
No,
call her.
it's
You
not
don't call her
balance.
ex-boyfriend.
It's not balance. It's not balance.
Wait, Didi,
I
do you
don't
want this
finish.
relationship back? Do you want to go back to your relationship?
Me, I love her, but she don't
You
fuck
love her.
up. I
Guy,
love her well,
Guy,
well.
calm down, calm down, calm down. I guess she said this out of maybe anger, maybe she's like because of the way you reacted, understand? But I guess you guys, you both can still make things up, okay? Just calm down, calm down. She loves you and you love her. Let's see what we can do to settle this thing. Can we talk privately? That's why I called you out.
How they get?
Didi, come,
If
come,
no
come.
be the way the
Come now,
love
come
that I
closer
get for
now.
you.
Please, Didi, please, I'm begging in the name of God. Stop using those words at him because no guy will be happy. You telling me that you enjoy the wiping of your rubber. It's not good. Fine, it has happened, it has happened. You've discovered the reason why he's angry at
I
you.
go spend
And
money.
you
Person
just
go
calm
come dey
down.
wipe my girl.
Guy,
See that she
guy.
fine. Na me pimp her like this.
Me myself admire your girl. Your girl
Na
fine.
money 99 me.
She's fine, 100% beautiful. She's pretty. I've already praised her before. I don't praise her before you make her share. So don't worry. Miss Didi, please calm down. Lower your ego. I know it has happened. It has happened. Let's not emphasize on the past again. Guy, can we talk one on one?
No wahala, no
I need
wahala.
to talk to you both of you. Come,
No,
let's
no
go.
wahala.